Excuses are the tools of incompetence used to build monuments of nothingness. These are the solutions which our subconscious mind finds for our failures. Excuse: I didn't get opportunity to get higher education. Owner of the Ford Motors. He is a person who is the owner of the Ford motor. Henry Ford also didn't get opportunity to get higher education. Famous musician A.R. Rahman also lost his father in his childhood, but he has achieved heights in life. Next excuse: I belong to a very poor family. Popular excuse: ex-president APJ Abdul Kalam also belonged to a poor family. There are hundreds of examples where people have got success despite belonging to poor families. I was not having good health since childhood. Another excuse. Oscar winner actress Martin was deaf, was not having good health since childhood. Here also there are hundreds of other examples where people don't have good health in their childhood but got success. I have spent half of my life on bicycle. Nirma owner also spent half of his life by selling Nirma on bicycle from door to door. I lost my confidence and courage after one accident. Do you know? Famous dancer Sudha Chandran has artificial limbs. I'm called dull since childhood by people. Thomas Alva Edison was also called dull since childhood. He invented bulb. I have failed so many times in life that I am left with no courage or energy. Abraham Lincoln became President of USA after being defeated in elections for 15 times. Today, wherever you are, tomorrow, wherever you will be, you can't hold others responsible for that. That is the formula for the success: motivation into skill.